Freak, you know, making a knife handle. Making some friends. Can we make some friends here as well? Making love with my wood. Electrifying. I don't know about that. It's more fibrous. It's not so conductive. You need to learn how to conduct yourself better, my chubby guy. I usually do make the blades, yeah. This one was actually purchased. It's a somewhat rare bayonet that did not have handle. It's from the late 70s. So, Austrian military, Zeit 77. Yeah. This is going to be one of the. It's only going to be the second blade that I've ever done. It's only going to be the second blade I've ever done that I didn't make the blade. It looks like Bondo. It's 100% not Bondo. I promise, Monkey Man. Yeah, post-World War II bayonet from Austria. Exactly. It's definitely not going to be light gray when we're done with it, Monkey Man. It's got a really dark grayish, charcoaly, almost black look to it. Yeah, this is going to be one of those knives that I'm just going to be super giddy to. Freak, what's up with that follow? Thank you very much. It's going to be one of those knives where I'm going to be super excited to oil it up after we take it up the grits. What grit do you think we should go to on this? Black Panther died. What are you talking about, Alex? You guys think we should go to 800, 1,000, 1,500? $800 is probably fine. That's kind of what I was thinking. Is he pretty young, Alex? This is 220. So that means I only got 400, then 800 to go. Which means we're going to be oiling this handle up tonight, boys and girls. And that's exciting as hell. $42. Yeah, he was young. End cap on the handle? Nah, I'm not going to mess with an end cap. Not going to mess with an end cap. It's too late now anyway. I've already been rounding this off. It would take me forever to get it flat again. And then it's rounded. It's not it's curved a little bit. That'll take a long time to undo that. Or try and shape a piece of metal to be on the back of the butt cap of it. No thanks. You fell asleep. Oh. We're working on a handle, dude. That's what happened. Man, really, Saki? Man, that kind of ruins the surprise. That ruins the reveal. But I know what you're saying. I know what you're saying. Yeah. Or actually maybe not to. Oh, it's gorgeous. Is this blade already spoken for? It is already spoken for, Chevy guy. Yeah. I'm not going to zoom in for you guys yet because I don't want you guys to see it yet. It's part of the surprise. You don't do surprises, Sacred? Do you do the shocker? Hey! Am I an everyday knife carry person? Actually, no, I'm not. I don't carry a knife every day. I just enjoy making them. I got into making knives because I had a kid and needed a hobby to do that kept me at home. I do make everyday carry knives, if that's what your real question was. You'll be able to send some Damascus blanks. What for, for Christ's sake? I do have another one left, yeah. So I got this one, then I got the other one. It's floating around here somewhere. And I could buy more. These are not gone.